job fair is all about.
Sports Minister Shaklyar Wardry reviewed preparations for the Meghalaya Games 2025, scheduled to be hosted in West Giant Hills. The meeting included local MLA Wailat Miki Shilla, the Meghalaya State Olympic Association and other stakeholders. Wardry emphasized the Games' potential to nurture local sports talent and provide income opportunities for youth. He also discussed the inclusion of sports for individuals with disabilities to ensure broad participation. The review aimed to ensure that all logistical and organizational aspects are well prepared for the event.
Kani ka Meghalaya Games kanong katurar kanong ka success tumbapitib ni pelong kani ka Meghalaya Games na kamantaki kung sa melaju ka jelag jungi ki athletes ki ki youth jungi ki bedan dia kataka jing angnut bakin long brio man brio bakin kiok tam kabai di berka sports dengan needs kemba lingba ka kini ki initiative kini ki kum ka Meghalaya Games ke baka sarkar kelas tang klatif Honorable Chief Minister jungi ru la keren ya ka bangin pelong ka Meghalaya